Hey guys, how's it going? How to create Cash App account. So go to the official website and download the official app. Open the app and then sign up and then verify your number or email and then set up your account. Choose cash tag like unique identifier for your account and link the bank account and add personal details if you have personal details such as your date of birth or social and social security number for verification. Your Cash App account is now set up and ready to use. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.